I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the final installment of my Hogwarts house series, which is Ravenclaw. So if you'd like to see how I did this, just keep on watching. Okay, so starting out with the Face Candy Atlantis palette, I took this light blue shade and I ran it into my crease using a Wet n Wild blending brush. And then I do run this on my lower lash line, but only on the inner and outer thirds of my lower lash line and keeping the center blank. And just a quick update, I'm going to be posting my final look for my Makeup Through the Decades series, which is a combination of the 2000s and 2010s on Friday. And then next Tuesday, I'm going to be posting a female glam Hellboy look that I filmed yesterday, which is, which was Monday. I can't remember what day it is, oh my goodness. Okay, so then I went into this more of a teal shade, blue, using the same brush, and I'm just running this into my crease as well, gradually building it up, and then also putting some on my lower lash line, but I do use a smaller blending brush from e.l.f. for that.
But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried.
Then next I am taking this dark navy shade, and I am popping that all over my lid using the Bodyography, oh my goodness, Bodyography Pro shader brush. And then I also do run some of this on the lower lash line as well, where I already placed the other shades of blue. Now for this eye look, I am doing blue and silver, but then I do like a bronzy type copper color on the lips. And the reason I am doing that is because the tie that I have is blue and silver, even though in the books, the colors for Ravenclaw are blue and bronze. That's just what the merchandise was sold as, so I decided to go with what the tie had representation-wise. And then I went in with the Essence Metal Shock Shadow. I think this is called Moon Dust. And I'm just popping this on the center of my lower lash line that I left blank, and then I'm just using my small finger, and then I pat out the edges to help it blend into the colors. The reason this look looks pretty dramatic and drastic, especially on the lower lash line, is because if you saw in the beginning of the video, I have glasses on, so I thought it would pop better if I made it more dramatic. And then for mascara, I went in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I coated my top and lower lashes.
Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Then next I went in with the, oh my goodness, with the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Light, using a fluffy angled face brush from Wet n Wild to bronze up my cheeks, and I do bronze up the bridge of my nose. I don't know if I put this in there or not. And then I wanted to go for a warm blush, so I went in with the HD blush from City Color Cosmetics, and then it's in the shade Warm Apricot. And I'm using an Aesthetica P12 brush to apply the blush to my cheeks. And then I've really just been loving this contour shade out of the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette recently. So I'm just using that to carve out my cheekbones and my jawline. And I did get my BoxyCharm, and I might just film a video for Instagram for that because I have such a packed schedule for my YouTube videos leading all the way up through the end of October. And I was looking at them, and a lot of it is like character or cosplay looks. And I really want to get you guys some regular makeup looks in there as well. So I might just do very short videos that I might add throughout the week of eye looks strictly. So let me know if that is something you'd be interested in. And then I went in with the BH Cosmetics Blacklight Highlight Palette, taking the shade Queen, which is the icy blue highlighter. And then I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones. Sorry, my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose using the Wet n Wild Unicorn highlighting brush. But yeah, if that is something you are interested in, just having very short, like 5 minutes or shorter eye tutorials that I could post randomly throughout the week, let me know, and I will definitely try my best to accomplish that. And then for lips, I went in with the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Lipstick. This is one of the metallic shades. I can't quite remember the name of this, but it is from their Fire and Ice collection. I will have it listed down below when I do. Sorry for that loud noise just a second ago. That was my husband being loud. So that is pretty much the end of this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one.
You're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear like shadows in